Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the calendar invite and reading the passcode and meeting ID. This saves time. Open the Teams app on your device or use the browser link. Use the app for full features. Sign in with the account invited because guest access can differ. Once done, check microphone and camera permissions and test audio quickly. This prevents last-minute failures. Make sure your network is steady. Switch to wired or move closer to the router if needed. You click Join from the calendar or the invite link, and then choose whether to join signed in or as a guest. Pick the account listed on the invitation. Teams will display a passcode prompt when required. Type the code carefully because letters and numbers can look similar. Once entered, confirm and proceed. The lobby may appear. If you land in the lobby, wait for the organizer to admit you. Keep your camera and mic off until you're admitted to control privacy and background noise. You're in. Now confirm speaker and mic by speaking briefly. Use the device settings menu to swap hardware if audio is wrong. If the passcode is rejected, double-check for extra spaces, copy/paste errors, or similar characters. Ask the organizer to resend the code when needed. If you still can't join, try the Teams web client or clear the app cache and reinstall. These steps resolve most authentication glitches. Finally, restart your device only if nothing else works. It often clears stubborn state problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.